article, we want to do it from a video. So everything would remain the same. We would still do like our science standard here, and I'll search again for that, grab that standard. And then rather than putting in the Britannica URL, we would actually go to the YouTube link, and we would paste that in there so that the contents of that can be read by Diffit, and then we can generate resources related to that. So I like that a lot because there's maybe times where you would like to play a video in class and the information is great, but especially with YouTube videos, there's not, like written curriculum for it or ready resources for those type of things. And so with this, you're able to do that, and it'll create a slideshow for you here, and then you can go down and you still have all those things that tie into it. And again, going to the student activities and pulling in things that are related to that. And I think another thing to point out is that you could pair all these things. So like if you use the Britannica article and you use the YouTube video and you create different pieces of or different resources off of them, and then mesh that together for your entire unit, you can utilize both of them. And so that's going to be where you have your second tab. So the article, video URL, and just playing around with some of the different things that are available there, I think is great. And there's plenty of resources at your disposal.